Hello there, welcome to Dave Tech YouTube channel. In this channel, I talk about smart TVs and how to install your favorite application to your Android TV or smart TV. In this particular video, I want to show you the easiest way to install the Syncler application to your Android TV. So you might want to watch this video right up to the end of the video to learn about it. So on your Android TV or smart TV, here's what you should do. The first thing is to come over to this application called Downloader. Don't worry, you don't have the application on your smart TV or Android TV yet. Check this description of this video. There's a link there that's going to help you get the application to your Android TV or smart TV. After getting the application, just go ahead and launch it. Now, download it through the browser. It's not a search engine. It just helps you search for anything across the internet and download to your smart TV. And in this case, we're going to be searching for the application Syncler. But in this case, we're not going to search for application. Rather, I'm going to give you a code. Now, once you type in the code, it's just going to go straight away to where you can install and download the application to your Android TV. And the code in this case is, please pay attention because this code is very important. If you miss a digit, it's not going to work. So the code is 65949. So here's the code 65949. Once you type in this code and you click on go, as I explained, it's going to lead you straight away to where you can download the file of the application and install to your Android TV. As you can see on my screen right now, in less than 3 seconds, it's going to lead us to where we can install the file to Syncler application. And here's it right now. So as you come over here, here's the official website. All you have to do is come over to this button over here and click on download. Once you click on download, the file is going to be downloaded to your Android TV or smart TV, depending on which one you're using. And as you can see, it's already downloading. Once it's done downloading, you can go ahead and install it by just clicking the install button. Once you install it, you can start using. If this works for you, let me know. Just comment in the comment section of this video, and I'll know. If it doesn't work for you, ask your questions, and I'm going to try to reach out to you and solve your problem. Like and subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this.